You have to see this.
We're talking about the return of a legend, and every single detail matters for this. From preparing the crash test dummies to the final countdown, the tension was absolutely real. As it picked up speed, heading for impact, I knew this was the ultimate moment of truth. Just watch the sheer force of this collision. It's honestly incredible. But after all that, look at this. The cabin's intact, sealed, and completely safe. From the dummy zones to cabin integrity, everything was green.